The focused professional practice evaluation, or FPPE, is a process used by hospitals to evaluate a physician's competence when concerns arise about their ability to deliver safe, high-quality care. For experienced physicians, it's part of peer review, discipline, or corrective assistance. But let's be clear, an FPPE can be a double-edged sword. While it's designed to improve performance, it can quickly spiral into a pathway to severe consequences, like losing your hospital privileges, facing license restrictions, or even having your medical license revoked. So, what is an FPPE? It's a structured, time-limited review triggered by issues like increased complications, unusual prescribing habits, or patient complaints. When done well, it helps physicians refine their practice and protects patients. But the process isn't flawless. In fact, it can turn perilous fast. Here's how. FPPEs can start with vague concerns or an overly broad scope, leaving physicians confused about what to fix. Without transparency, clear details on the concerns, evaluation methods, or metrics, it's easy to feel blindsided. Worse, if evaluators are biased or lack expertise in your specialty, the results can be unfair. And if you're flagged for improvement, but given no real support, resources, or time to make changes, the process becomes more punitive than helpful. The stakes get higher when an FPPE deems you haven't improved enough. That judgment can be subjective, especially if the process was flawed from the start. A negative outcome can trigger automatic reports to the National Practitioner Data Bank or State Medical Board, leaving a permanent mark on your record. This can make it nearly impossible to secure future employment or maintain a clean license. From there, it's a short step to formal disciplinary hearings, where you risk losing privileges, facing practice restrictions, or even having your license suspended or revoked. In our experience, over half the FPPE cases we see are steps toward termination, often backed by legal strategies to justify discipline. That's not every case, but it's enough to approach FPPEs with caution. So, how do you protect yourself? First, demand clarity on why the FPPE was triggered. Get specific concerns in writing. Second, seek legal counsel immediately. Don't underestimate the stakes. An attorney experienced in medical staff issues can guide you and defend your rights. Third, document everything, every meeting, email, and action you take. Fourth, engage proactively. Show you're committed to addressing concerns and seek out remediation resources. Finally, tackle any underlying issues, whether they're systemic, like workplace challenges, or personal, like stress management. An FPPE isn't just paperwork, it's a pivotal moment in your career. A poorly managed or unfair FPPE can threaten your livelihood and reputation, but by understanding the risks and acting proactively, you can keep it a tool for growth, not a path to discipline.
If you're facing an FPPE or any peer review issue, contact Daniel Horowitz and our medical law team as early as possible. We're most effective with time to prepare, but we're also experts at stepping in when the pressure's on and the clock is ticking. Call Daniel Horowitz at 925-283-1863. Again, our number is 925-283-1863. I hope this video was helpful.